manners. So we have to learn these online manners. Anyway, as I said, it's my pleasure and privilege to welcome all of you to yet another edition of the Travel and Tourism add-on course. It gives me so much of delight to be able to say yet another edition, because it implies a lot of commitment on the part of the team that has organized this add-on course. It also implies a certain continuity of these courses and the fact that they are viable courses, that they are important and significant courses for the students to join and to profit from. Travel and tourism opens up completely new vistas, and I really think that it is important for us post offering a course that we look at student progression after the course is over. And one of the things that I don't know if it is part of the course or not, but I would like to say that there is a lot of travel and tourism writing that is now happening, which is a completely new profession that one can look at. And I really hope that the course addresses tourist writing, travel writing, which in itself is extremely important. We need to check, Smita. I think somebody has joined this particular. There's somebody called Apple iPhone 6. That person needs to be removed from this forum. Can we just remove this person? Can we please remove this person? There's somebody called Apple 16. Right. So just remove this person, please. This person is obviously is a mischief maker. So as I was saying, we need to really look at what happens post this course, and it is only right, Smita, that we follow up and we find out from those students who have attended this course in the past as to how they have benefited from it, what they have learned from it, and what they plan to do with it. So if it is an add-on course, it must add to the value of education that the students acquire in college. I can only wish you and your entire team good luck for the future, and good luck for this course, and I hope it goes off really, really well. Thank you. You need to unmute yourself, Smita. You need to unmute yourself. You're muted.
Oh, how that happened, I don't know. Yeah, once again, thank you, Professor Pal, for those very encouraging words. And I definitely intend to include your suggestions within the course structure, that is of travel writing, tourism writing. I think we can have that as an add-on kind of thing to the course that already exists. And thank you once again, Professor Pal. Uh, in the year 2017, the Department of History, Janki Devi Memorial College, started an add-on certificate course on travel and tourism in collaboration with DASI. I take this opportunity to convey my heartfelt gratitude for the constant support, guidance, and encouragement I received and my team received from the principal, Professor Swati Pal, and all DASI professors, Professor J.P. Dubey, Professor V.K. Dikshit, Professor Rajesh, and Dr. Rahul Yadav. Thank you once again, ma'am, and all sirs, for being there with timely help and guidance and all possible cooperation.
Thank you,
The
ma'am.
course duration is about 50 hours, roughly amounting to 2 months course of study. And it is both theoretical and practical classes we organize, project work and field trips. Minimum eligibility for students to join this course is 10 plus 2. And this year we have thrown open the course to students from outside Delhi University also. Once at the end of the course, the students are marked on the basis of a small examination, I would say. This partly consists of the project work evaluation done by experts called from outside the faculty, I mean the existing faculty team, and also it is based on a viva. At the end of this course, joint certification is joint certification by DASI and JDMC is awarded to all students who have successfully completed this course. This course was started in the college. In fact, we are the first college to introduce this course uh, with the help, cooperation, guidance of our professors from DASI and of course, Madam Principal. I was started in the college primarily to enlighten students for building a career in the vast travel and tourism industry. The students of this course are taught the basics of travel and tourism, the fundamental aspects of travel and tourism, role of tourist organizations and travel agencies, aspects of tour operations, airline ticketing, and of course, the types of tourism, whether it is medical tourism, whether it's business tourism, or it is religious tourism, environmental tourism, all that is taught to them. In the year 2017, there were as many as 52 students who enrolled themselves for this course. Tourism Day was also celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm in the month of October. However, the COVID onslaught has somewhat hampered our efforts, and in the current batch, we have been able to get a participation and admission from only 22 students. May I now invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Vikas Gupta, to say a few words to our students. Welcome, Dr. Vikas Gupta.
सर म्यूटेड तो नहीं है?
पता नहीं, अभी sir was visible on the screen.
Sir's audio is not connected right now.
हाँ, I think there must be some audio problem.
Some problem.
Yeah.
Dr. Gupta, can you hear us?
Hello? Hello?
Can we drop the message?
एक मैसेज प्रोफेसर स्वाति पॉल की तरफ से चला जाए.
I've already sent him a message, Professor Rajesh. I suggest
Okay.
आप एक बार कर लें. I think he's joining again.
Yeah.
Professor
Yeah.
Gupta, Dr. Gupta.
It was there was
Yeah.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Right. So you've been invited to speak, please.
Now Dr. Vikas Gupta
Continue, ma'am.
is kindly, yeah. Sir, you are requested to kindly provide your valuable words, sir, for blessing to the students.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm so sorry. There was some connectivity problem, and suddenly the screen flew away. So, good afternoon, everyone. At the outset, my sincere thanks to Professor Swati Pal.
I think there's a connectivity problem probably at
Yeah,
the university.
Yeah. I hope so.
I think
hope
so.
Problem.
Problem, Dr. Gupta.
Yeah.
So we've lost you, Dr. Gupta, we've lost you. We can't
Oh,
hear
but-
you.
Am I audible now?
Now you're audible.
Now, yes. Now you are audible. Now you are audible, sir.
I will not take much time. There is some connectivity problem. So
Yeah, yeah.
I can see that this course was started in 2017 with two students, and now because of corona or some other reasons, not many students have joined this course. But I can see this course has a very great potential, not only in terms of entrepreneurial development or as a part of their own building up their own career in the field of travel and tourism. But I also see that in the
Smita, I don't know. I think there are
Some,
issues.
yeah,
some
connectivity
problem is
problem.
going on with the internet.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah,
We
some internet.
understand. We understand. There's some
Yeah.
problem with the net connectivity at your end. It's all
Yes,
right,
but
sir.
I did a research all the that they score
Uh,
nobody wants
Voice is not clear. Rashtar sir, your voice is not clear. Vikas sir.
Sir, you're getting muted from time to time. There's some problem. There's some connectivity issue.
I think there is some severe problem with the internet
Yes,
connectivity
yes.
now.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
So
now it
I
is
wish all
okay.
the best to the organizers as
Thank
well as
you.
my dear
Yeah.
students for joining this course. Thank you
Right.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for joining. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir,
you.
so much.
Thank you
Uh,
for joining, sir.
Thank
I
you so
now
much.
take
I'm
the
so sorry.
privilege to invite our guest of honor, Professor Rajesh, Head Darcy, to address the gathering. Professor Rajesh has been a professor at Darcy since 2007 and has more than 30 years of teaching and research experience. Sir was the PhD of Darcy since 2012. Areas of interest of Professor Rajesh are adult continuing education, lifelong learning, confidential education, counseling and guidance, and thus varied interest in transgender community and related topics that he has written about. Welcome, Professor Rajesh.
Thank you, our chief guest, Dr. Vikas Gupta, who has a very vast experience in University of Delhi, University Grants Commission, and national testing agencies, and so many institutions. We were privileged to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Vikas Gupta, for today's forum, for blessing the students in this very important college. I equally, welcome Professor Swati Paul for giving the constant support and encouragement for lot many activities, including this course, travel and tourism. And we were sharing the diocese offline, and we remember how we welcome our students. And this is also a kind of privilege that we all are online linked. We are really thankful to Madam Smita Mitra, Dr. Siva Pache, and Dr. Khurshid Alam, the organizers of the college and the program, and our young coordinator, Dr. Rahul, for this program. I will simply say that this is the opportunity that the Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension and a very, very important college of University of Delhi, Women's College, JDM College, is organizing the third batch of this course, Travel and Tourism, a very important add-on course. While I was talking to our chief guest, he asked about the course, how it is running, add-on, and all these things. Today, I was, sir, glancing the University Grants Commission, guidelines issued to the department time to time, and also passed in the Academic Council. And they were saying that we were entitled to conduct the need-based continuing education courses Even in the 10th plan, they have written online classes, courses, credit and non-credit course, and organizing the multidisciplinary program, collaborative program. And I could remember when this department started in 1977 at all India level, we were also conducting adult education programs and population education clubs in the college. And even at that time, Janki Devi Memorial College was having so many centers of adult education at the community level, which were financed and technically supported at that time by the University Grants Commission. So our journey were from that time to this time when we are implementing the new education policy 2020 here at the University of Delhi level also. I see that this course, travel and tourism, some last year students are also there to share their journey in the course, and the new batch is a very, very important course organized by the college and our department. And I see future in terms of lot many aspects of the content and curriculum of the course in terms of skill and competency building, and also in terms of the employability. So I would like to say that this is a very flagship program which has a lot many dimensions at national and international level, and we will certainly like to see that in course of time, Dr. Rahul, that at the college and university level, we can have a 1-year course through our statutory bodies, and we can have credits on this aspect also, not only the non-credit kind of a thing. So you have a theoretical input, you have a practical input, and lot many dimensions are there, and the credit also goes to the very, very dedicated team, including the principal and the teacher in charge, and those who are coordinating the young culling of the college and our university. So what I will say, that this is a very good opportunity that our department is pleased to announce online this kind of a course, and I hope that the students will get all kind of flavors that they were getting in the course, theoretical and practical input, including the course content that I think Madam Smita was talking. So at the beginning, I will not have too much. I once again welcome all of you, and I extend all support. I am currently the acting head of department, and the department will like to provide all kinds of support in future also. Best wishes. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, madam.
Professor Rajesh, for all those encouraging words, giving us suggestions, and I'm sure with your support and guidance, this course on our online platform will be a success as earlier years. As you were mentioning, yes, we do have some ex-students from the batch 2017 and even from 2019 who are here with us and who are going to share their experiences as to what they learned during this while pursuing this course, and also share other experiences with the gathering. So may I now call some of the ex-students of the 2017 batch. To begin with, I have Anjana Nair of the first batch 2017, who is right now pursuing her MA final from Delhi University. Anjana Nair, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Please switch on your video. Yes. Thank you so
Good
much.
afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
You are audible.
I would like to share my experience of doing this course of travel and tourism in JDMC. I'm really privileged to be one of the students of the first batch to do travel and tourism from JDMC, and my experience was really, really good. The amount of practical knowledge that we gained from this course was really immense, and I really remember how we celebrated Travel and Tourism Day, World Tourism Day, with so much fun and joy. And we were supposed to present our state's cultural essence to the judges. And I'm from Kerala, so I had presented mine, and we did a whole project on that. So my experience in this course was really, really good. I remember the field trip that we took under the guidance of Smita ma'am, Khushid sir, and the rest of our guides. And I still remember how we visited Qutub Minar and even Red Fort. And Khushid sir's lectures on that day and all the Dasi guides, it still stays with me to date. And while I'm doing master's here in Delhi University in history only, I can feel how I've benefited from this course because the on-field knowledge that we got there, it taught us how the travel and tourism sector works, not just the methodologies and the key terms that we use in traveling sector, but how the whole sector functions and how people should view, as historians, how should we should view the benefits of the sector. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjali. We have Ankita Sadhukar of the first batch. She is also pursuing MA from the university. I think she has joined. Ankita? Yeah, Ankita. You need to unmute yourself,
Hello,
Ankita.
audible?
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible.
Ma'am. Hello, everyone. Uh, this is a nice meeting that you have conducted, and it is my pleasure to join that. I would like to add few words with Anjana Nair as we were pursuing it together. First of all, it gave us a nice exposure to understand the historical understanding also, and it has given us a view and how to perceive. There are a lot of places like Qutub Minar, and the practical add-on thing is very helpful as we go there, and with add-on lectures and one-to-one contact with the professor really helps you build up a knowledge and a knowledge pattern, and how do we perceive this different places in Delhi, as well as and now when I'm doing MA from Delhi University, actually we could feel the importance of that odd and add-on course, and how we have learned from the teachers and the professors in this course. It is really beneficial for us, and really it is very helpful.
Thank you, Ankita. I now invite Sidra from 2017 batch. I think Sidra is here with us. Yeah, Sidra.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Uh, so I was in the first batch with the other two students, and it was a really good experience for me. So I will start with I didn't know anything before that how the course will be because it was our first time to join the course. But it was really helpful for us, and we really enjoyed it. Professors were really nice, and we had so many guests that our professors invited from outside who taught us so many. Sometimes we learn things from the book only. So these kind of courses really help us to understand so many things, especially the students like us. We hardly hear about the things that what we do after our third year, after our graduation. So such kind of course, even if it is too much course, it can give you the knowledge. And if you're in case if you are interested in this kind of courses like travel and tourism, so this is a very uh, good course to understand that if you can pursue your career in this. I remember we had a celebration on travel and tourism day. So I think yeah, we did Lavani. So my team won second prize, and it was really good experience to learn things about new culture. So travel and tourism is not just about traveling; it's also about learning new things and learning about culture and other things. So yeah, it was a really good experience, and I wish all the new students to learn many new things. further future. Thank you.
Thank you, Sidra, for the most part of the time. You were not exactly audible, but we could hear towards the end. Thank you once again. We have another student, Pooja, from this batch, 2017, because this year has been very memorable for us here at the Travel Tourism Center at JDMC. I mean, that was our first year we introduced the course in the college. So if Pooja is around,
Yes, ma'am.
Pooja, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. I have joined for Sanjana's phone because I have some network issue.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Hi everyone. I'm Pooja, and I was a part of the very first batch of this course when when our college has recently introduced this course, and it was very nice and very like it had add on to my college memories in the time of the like in this time. I am very like privileged and fortunate to have that memories with me. As we know that as a student of history, traveling is a part of our work. We need to explore everything, or we need to see things differently. So this course has provided me a different view, different approach, we can say. Like I remember when Principal Ma'am came to our travel and it was orientation. She said that this is a course that you know traveling and also the observing. These are the two things that you have to learn through this course, or this will enable to observe things closely. So it was very like enlightening, and then I started observing or thinking things differently, and it add on my college memories. Like I think that I would have been fortunate to have more chances to travel with my friends and all. It was very nice. I suggest all of you to like you should join this course. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja. We have Purva from this batch. Purva, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, Purva. We can hear you.
Thank you, ma'am. आप सुन सकते हो?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
ज़्यादा तो नहीं कहना चाहूँगी। जब हम लोगों ने ये पहली बार अपने कॉलेज में कोर्स ज्वाइन किया, तो काफ़ी अच्छा हमारा एक्सपीरियंस रहा। जैसे कि काफ़ी सारे लोग होते हैं क्लासेस के अंदर जो एक्टिव तो होते हैं, लेकिन अपने आप को एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाते हैं, अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर नहीं कर पाते हैं। उन लोगों के लिए भी ये कोर्स काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ है, जिसमें जस्ट लाइक हमें ग्रुप वर्क मिला था, फील्ड वर्क हुआ, हमारा ट्रिप वगैरह हुई, तो उन सारी चीज़ों में हमें बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस दिया। करंटली जैसे मेरी अभी मास्टर्स चल रही है और प्लस आई एम ऑल्सो ए बिजनेस वूमेन, और मैं पीजी हैंडल्स करती हूँ। अभी मेरे पास जो फ्रेश बच्चे आते हैं, अगर वो मुझसे पूछते हैं कि ग्रेजुएशन के अंदर आप एक्स्ट्रा क्या करना चाहते हो, तो अब मेरे पास देने के लिए एक एग्जांपल है कि आप सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स वगैरह ज्वाइन करो, जस्ट लाइक ट्रैवल टूरिज्म। आपको काफ़ी कुछ पर्सनालिटी बिल्डअप करने के लिए मिलेगा, आपको काफ़ी सारी नॉलेज मिलेगी, प्लस आपको एक सर्टिफिकेट भी मिलेगा। और आगे अगर इस सर्टिफिकेट के बाद में आपको कुछ करना है और नई चीज़ें एक्सप्लोर करनी है, जस्ट लाइक स्वाति पाल मैम हमें बता रही थी कि ट्रैवल टूरिज्म राइटिंग आजकल आ रही है, काफ़ी ब्लॉग वगैरह बना रहे हैं, तो उस सारी चीज़ों में भी ये काफ़ी हेल्प करता है। पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस से तो मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ थी कि मेरे जैसा इंसान स्टेज पे जा रहा था, काफ़ी कुछ वो बोल रहा था, हर चीज़ों का एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा था। हो सकता है कोविड की वजह से बच्चे सोच रहे हो अब की बार, जैसे मैम ने बताया कि काफ़ी कम बच्चों ने ज्वाइनिंग किया है, कि कैसे रहेगा। हाँ, थोड़ा-सा दिक्कत होता है, कनेक्टिविटी इश्यू होता है, कुछ चीज़ें आपको समझ नहीं आएँगी, लेकिन डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। एट द एंड आपका एक्सपीरियंस इतना अच्छा होगा कि आप सोचेंगे कि हमने इसमें अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट की है टाइम की, तो आपको बहुत अच्छी चीज़ रिटर्न में मिलेगी और बहुत कुछ आप सीख के जाएँगे इस कोर्स की वजह से। बस यही मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि आप बने रहें इस कोर्स में और अच्छी चीज़ें सीखें। थैंक यू मैम।
Purva, I'm sure those are very encouraging words for the girls who are here to attend the program and maybe join the program later on. Thank you. We have a girl from 2019 batch, a student of this travel tourism course. She is Pavitra. Pavitra, are you there? Yes.
Ma'am, I'm audible.
Yeah, you're audible.
A very good afternoon to the respected chief guest, honorable principal ma'am, teachers, and everyone present here. The prime reason for me doing this course was just that I was fascinated by the name itself, travel and tourism. I've always wanted to travel to new places and get to know about their different cultures. But as I took up this course, I realized that tourism is more than just traveling. I got to know so much about the smallest gems that each city, each place, like our very own country has to offer. And staying in a city like Delhi, which is so vibrant, full of culture, history, is an added factor. Throughout this course, we students got to learn how each geographical map is made, the tedious and the long process behind it. We even had 2 or 3 classes wherein we got to know about the products, the structures, and the operations which contribute to make up this large tourism industry. After a 3 to 4 month long theory session, we even had a field trip to Agra, wherein we closely got to understand the heritage, the beauty, the different tales associated with Fatehpur Sikri. And if we are in Agra, we had to end our trip by visiting the most majestic Taj Mahal by the evening. So all in all, this course gave me a broader sense and perspective as to what travel and tourism is, and truly it was a worth learning experience for me. And thank you, Smita ma'am, Khurshid sir, and Shiv sir for introducing us to this wonderful course. I wish all the students of the upcoming batch the very best, and I'm sure you all too will have a great learning time just the way we did. Thank you.
Thank you, Pavitra. I think hearing all those encouraging and inspiring words from the seniors, the current batch, there are 2 students from the current batch. Who one of them is Akanksha Panda, who is the student of this 2021 batch. She would like to say a few words. Uh, to us. So I invite Akanksha Panda. Yeah, Akanksha. Wanted to say something?
Am I audible and visible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are both.
Good afternoon, ma'am and sir. Today I am very delighted on the inauguration ceremony of this course, and I got the opportunity to share my interest in the course with all. Our country's heritage has never failed to fascinate me, and the best way to discover is to travel. In this pandemic, travel and tourism course has come to me as a great opportunity to enjoy and learn more about it being at home. I hope to satisfy my curiosity and to gain much knowledge and experience by this course. I am highly thankful to my teachers for bringing it to us and also giving us a way for engaging ourselves for learning more. Looking for our joyful journey in this course. Thank you.
I think there's a request from one of our student of this current batch. Aditi would like to sing a few lines. Yes, Aditi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I just want to sing some lines. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की, भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा, दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके हो जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया झूम जाऊं मैं होके बावरिया अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me that opportunity.
Thank you, Aditi and Akanksha. I'm thankful that you're already taking so much interest in the program, interest enough to come out with a song, and of course, those lines from Akanksha. I have the privilege to invite a special invitee, Dr. Rahul Yadav, the course convener from DASI, to familiarize the students with the travel and tourism course. Dr. Rahul Yadav has done his specialization on lifelong learning and vocational skill development. He has over 7 years of teaching in the department, as well as he has research experience, lot of research experience. He's a member of the Faculty of Social Sciences, BRS. Welcome, Dr. Rahul ji.
Thank you, ma'am. Is it audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. So, afternoon, all of you. Principal Madam Swati Paul, our head, Professor Rajesh sir, coordinator, Sita Mitra Madam, Dr. Shiv Panche, and Khurshid Alam. So, first I want to interact with the newly admitted students, but it's on online platform, maybe may not possible. But first one that I would like to share with newly admitted students that tourism industries in this course in between 3 months we will be know about tourism industries, about United Nations World Tourism Organizations, and contribution in Indian economy of tourism industries, and you will be know about the Indian biodiversity, and so you have already read in Indian newspapers and Indian reports that we have explored our India as incredible India, because we have sea beaches, we have mountains, we have rivers, and we have a lot of climates in a year. So its course is too good, and in our department also offer a travel and tourism courses, and most of our stakeholder is languages courses. We have a separate department as Department of German and Roman Studies, and most of our course is most popular in our campus, and our HOD also told about we have extended our course as a diploma course in 2 semester. So our course is popular. Yeah, and earlier we have offered this course with the Rajdhani College also, and JDMC College, and other 1 to 2 colleges also contact with us about courses. So it course is too good, and I congratulate to all newly admitted students. Just to you have to be join this course and explore about know and explore about the tourism industries, tourism geographical Indian and world geographical area, and about the hospitality and transport department also, because these are all associated with the tourism industries, and you will be know more about. So in this process, in between 3 months, we will be definitely to support in terms of academic and technological support with our department. So we will be there. So first you have to be join, and I congratulate finally all organizers to start this course. So this is the few words, and in classes we will be remaining. We will discuss on this class. So thank you all of you.
Thank you, Dr. Rahulji, and we definitely look forward to seeking all possible help and guidance in the conduct of this course in our college. Thank you. I now request our administrative officer of this course, travel tourism course, Mr. Arvind Pal from JDMC, to say a few words. Mr. Arvind Pal.
नमस्कार सभी को।
नमस्कार जी।
आदरणीय चीफ गेस्ट साहब, गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर, स्पेशल इनवाइटी, प्रिंसिपल मैम, स्मिता मैम, टीचर्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स, मैं सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं इस कोर्स में। बहुत अच्छा कोर्स है, बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है। इस बारी थोड़ी सी समस्याएं हैं कोविड के कारण, बट होपफुली इससे भी उबर के आएंगे। मैं आप सभी का दोबारा से वेलकम करता हूं। कोई इशू आए, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कोई इशू आए, प्लीज मेरे को कांटेक्ट करें। स्टूडेंट्स, आपकी सहायता के लिए मैं अवेलेबल हूँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Arvind ji, for all the administrative help and support you have extended to me. Thank you. I now request the teacher in charge of the history department, JDMC, Dr. Natasha Nongri, to give the vote of thanks. Welcome, Dr. Natasha Nongri.
One moment, just one moment. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, I apologize that I was late in joining the program and I missed out the initial part of the program. So now as we come to the end of this program, I would like to reiterate once again that it is to the credit of the history department, for being one of the first departments to organize an add-on course on travel and tourism in Delhi University. I'm glad that our department was able to organize this online orientation this year. Since last year, we actually lost out due to the pandemic. On behalf of both the department and the college, I would like to thank our registrar, Dr. Vikas Gupta, for taking time out and gracing the occasion and addressing and encouraging our students. The department would also like to thank DASI, that is the Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension, and its professors for collaborating with us since 2017. We owe special gratitude to Professor V.K. Dixit, the earlier head, for his valuable support and stewardship in the initial stages of organizing this course. We are also thankful to Professor Rajesh for extending all possible help and guidance in running this course even now. Dr. Rahul Yadav, as coordinator of travel and tourism DASI, has also been a constant source of support and encouragement. And we also would like to thank Arvind ji for all his administrative support. I would also like to sincerely thank our principal, Professor Swati Pal, for relentlessly motivating us to organize such add-on courses. And we do hope to take a step further by organizing more such courses. Ms. Mitra has, of course, been the mainstay of this course, and she has been successfully conducting and running it for the last 3 years. Despite her ill health, she has constantly ensured that both the course and the students do not suffer. So a very big thank you to her. I would also like to thank the former students for sharing their experiences and their memories of doing the course with us. And I do hope that this would have motivated some of the freshers who have just joined. So I now congratulate all the students who have joined this course, and I wish them all the best for the future. Finally, I thank all faculty members and students for joining in this afternoon and for contributing to the success of this program. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Natasha, for those kind words. I request you all to stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा गण गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Yes, we come to the end of today's orientation program. I once again wish to thank all the professors, Professor Rajesh Kumar, Dr. Rahul Yadav, Professor Dixit, Professor Dubey, for helping
you.
us carry on with our efforts forward. And we really look forward to such more future endeavors in collaboration with DASI. I also want to thank our registrar, Dr. Vikash Gupta, Delhi University, for spending so much time in the midst of our students and faculty members. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Arvindji. Thank you, dear students, ex-students, and current students. Thank you, Professor Swati, for always being a constant, I would say, constant support and encouraging us, as Natasha said, to adopt more such add-on courses, which, as Natasha said, we intend to do so in the future. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Online, but offline, definitely we look forward to your visit to our college in the near future and meeting us over a cup of tea and some refreshments. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. Ma'am hai, principal ma'am, shall I end the program? I
Ma'am,
should
room
end
में
it with her consent. Ma'am hai.
रूम में बुलाऊं ले जाऊं फोन 1 मिनट
End कर लो, ma'am. Ma'am, end
एक
कर.
एक सेकंड
आप पूछ लीजिए, shall I end or ma'am would like to say something? She must be very busy, I know. So many programs are going on, sir. Professor Rajesh ji, काफी programs चल रहे हैं. There's the WDC week going on, NCC day being celebrated.
I can't take it anymore. It's okay. I don't care. I just want a child. Please do anything so that I get a child. They come in so much distress.
I'm not being,
So,
I'm sorry, I wasn't being able to join, and now I've joined another webinar of the college, but I just want to congratulate you for.
Thank you, Professor Paul, and the professors and our chief guest. So I thought if you would care to say a few words again. So that's why I'm sorry.
I just want to say thank you very much, Smita. I just want to say thank you very much, Smita. I'm logged into another webinar. It would be very wrong of me to not be there. So I'll take your leave and congratulations and all the best. I've already wished you best of luck. Best of luck again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So then I'm ending the program today.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you,
Thank you, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.